Hello guys, I'm back with another idea and that is DIY teacup upcycle ideas. Spending a lot of cash or exerting a lot of physical work to turn vintage teacups into functional products is unnecessary. Teacups and mugs are easy to come by and you probably already have some at your home. Repurposing antique or vintage goods like teacups is quite fulfilling and you can end up with some truly unique creations that you will adore. You can use simple white teacups and paint them as you can see in our video, but a lovely vintage teacup will also do the trick. These charming repurposed decorated teacups used as bird feeder is a lovely alternative to regular feeders. This is an excellent concept for stylish cup and saucer combos. You may use epoxy to adhere the cup and saucer together in any way you choose. It's time to start making your own teacup Christmas ornaments. These teacup ornaments are simple to create and so adorable. Another great idea for decor is a chandelier. Transform an average light fixture into a stunning teacup chandelier that combines sophisticated style and nostalgic appeal. You can then arrange your teacups and add the bulbs in addition to painting or decorating them as desired. Another best teacups recycle idea is pendant lighting. Pendant lighting is highly popular in kitchens, especially over a bar or island. Another best teacup upcycle idea is a candle holder. Making a candle is one of the simplest and most popular vintage teacup upcycling projects. Upcycling your glass teacup is a fantastic idea, beautiful and elegant. The design is perfect. Setting fresh flowers around your home while you wait for your garden to mature is one of the finest ways to get into the springtime mindset. Another decor idea is a pin cushion, unique pin cushion that can be used to hold needles and pins while also adding to the aesthetics of the room. Old fashioned cups and saucers are easy to make. A floating cup is a stunning craft that many admirers of unique decor will like. All of these are adorable. I'm sure you'll enjoy this list as much as I do because it's both innovative and beautiful. I hope so you like this video and all the ideas in it and you will apply it at your home and do share with me. So subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.